former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, im don come dey chook mouth based on wetin dey happen in Rivers State, because we don hear say the Court of Appeal don tell Central Bank say make dem no dey give allocation to Rivers State again. And we come dey note say if federal allocation is not be given to a state, how can that state survive by project or bring development to the state? So this one, e come dey pain Atiku Abubakar. Im come talk say wetin dem dey talk behind closed door about Rivers State concern financial problems, so e no dey good at all. Im come talk say why e be say in the time when Siminalayi Fubara become governor, na all this kind thing dey happen. He come talk say there are some people wey be like say dem dey behind judiciary when dem dey cause all this katakata so. He come talk say make such people dey cease from such a thing o. E be like say dem dey use the brain of the judiciary, that this kind thing no dey good. So Atiku come also talk say some element dem dey behind judiciary, dem dey manipulate judiciary, make judiciary do wetin e no suppose to do. Because for wetin judiciary don come do to Rivers State so, e no good at all, because im come talk say it's not according to the law. He talk say wetin even dey pay him be say one of the senior advocate of Nigeria, Falana, don talk say the judiciary make dem know their work. Make no come be say somebody who no know anything about law go come dey advise dem make dem do this, make dem do that, because they want to manipulate, because that person no like the party that is going on. You see, make dem no dey lis ten to such a person, that make judiciary dey lead this country according to the law, not according to the advice wey be like say somebody wey no dey learned give them. You see, go talk say the Joy Abdul Malik, when e dey issue this issue to the people, I mean to Rivers State, say e no do well at all. Make you look well before you do something, because as in dey look so, this thing e dey jeopardize the life of the Rivers State citizen, because he no see say any state wey be like say e no dey collect federal allocation, how e go take work for the state, how the state go take develop. He come talk say he no see any offence wey be like say Siminalayi Fubara don commit when e dey warrant all this kind thing wey dey go on o. Say some governors said dem dey commit wetin pass that, and they never touch them at all. Say all the brain behind this Fubara's nightmare, so make dem cast up their hand, because wetin dem dey do so no good. And the other day we don hear say the brain teaser behind wetin dey go on for Rivers State, so na im be Nyesom Wike, because e dey go into contention with Siminalayi Fubara since he became governor. He come talk say this kind thing e no dey good at all. Make the suffer dey do things so, because their time will still off. Now, according to Vanguard, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has issued a stern warning to the judiciary, urging them to avoid action that could lead to unrest in Rivers State. This caution comes in response to a recent judgment by a federal high court in Abuja, which ordered the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, to suspend all financial transactions with Rivers State. In a statement released by his media advisor, Paul Ibe, Atiku expressed his concern about the influence of the certain groups associated with a federal government, suggesting they are manipulating judicial decisions from behind the scenes. He questioned the The rationale behind Justice Joy Abdulmalik's issuance of the order, especially since Rivers State has already appealed a prior court of appealing ruling regarding the illegality of its 2024 budget. According to Atiku, the previous week's Court of Appeal decision deemed the Rivers State budget illegal due to its passage by an incomplete assembly instruction governor assembly, instructing Governor Siminalayi Fubara to reintroduce the budget for approval. He stated that the Rivers State government has since filed a notice of appeal for the Supreme Court to review the case. Atiku criticized elements within Bola Tinubu's administration for allegedly seeking a judgment that undermined the Supreme Court's authority. He also highlighted concerns raised by illegal expert Femi Falana-San, who had warned Chief Justice of the Federal High Court, Justice John Toso, about potential judicial manipulation following instances of gifts being presented to judges in Abuja. Despite these serious concerns, Atiku lamented that Falana's warning went unheeded. Thanks for listening. Please listen to more news ahead on this channel.